Welcome to the world of butterflies.
Here in the Philippines, we call this the mariposa, but it is not really a butterfly. This is actually a moth, and the best way to tell the difference between a butterfly and a moth is through their antennae. Like this moth, the antennae are feathery, while others are pointed. Butterflies have a club antennae, or have a little hook at the tip. Butterflies can camouflage themselves well against their surroundings. Some even look like dry leaves and hide bright colors of their wings inside. Some butterflies come down to moist or damp patches in the forest floor to drink liquid minerals on these wet spots. Some species feed on nectar, a sweet, sugary liquid produced by flowers. Others are attracted to overripe fruits and use their long tube-like tongue called proboscis to suck liquid. During the heat of the day or during a rainy day, some butterflies take shelter under the leaves. Butterflies are cold-blooded. That is why they rely on heat absorbed from the sun for energy. You might see butterflies with their wings outstretched basking on the patch of sunlight. Male butterflies patrol a certain territory to hunt and seek a newly emerged female using their color and chemical called pheromones. The male performs an interesting courtship dance and flight to attract the female. Mating may last for about 30 minutes to several hours. Normally, the female is much bigger in size, but for many species, male are more colorful than female. After mating, the female searches for a specific plant and carefully chooses the right spot to lay her eggs. Some eggs are laid in masses or in clusters, while others are laid under the leaves. After a few days, the egg turns dark and the time of hatching approaches. The caterpillar must bite its way out by chewing a circle big enough for its head to pass through. The young caterpillar usually consumes the empty eggshell, which is necessary for its growth. After eating the eggshell, the caterpillar starts to eat young leaves and can grow almost 1,000 times in 1 week to 3 weeks depending on the species. Butterfly caterpillars live in a hostile environment at the mercy of the ignorance of men. When seeing a caterpillar on their plants, some people feel the urge to destroy it and tend to regard most caterpillars as pests. But caterpillars don't become pests unless men deliberately destroy their natural habitat, disturbing the balance of nature. After a few days of eating, the caterpillar selects a suitable site to spend its chrysalis, securing itself with silken pads and threads. The caterpillar starts to wiggle and move gradually to remove its old skin. The chrysalis is now completely formed and begins to harden as it exposed to the air. Inside the chrysalis, the body of the caterpillar is broken. Special cells take over and the butterfly is gradually formed. The chrysalis is also very much at risk. Apart from being able to wiggle, it cannot move away from its enemies. For many kinds of chrysalis, their best hope for survival is to adapt their shape and color to their surroundings. After a few weeks or two, the chrysalis splits open and the wet butterfly crawls out and pumps the blood through its vein to spread its wings. It takes an average of 5 minutes for the butterfly to reach its full size, while it takes 2 to 5 hours for its wings to harden and be ready for flight and mating.
Then the butterfly's life cycle continues. Garden rules. Do not touch the butterflies. Do not pick the flowers. Avoid littering. Walk, don't run. Do not climb the rocks. Always check the path in front of you for resting butterflies. You might step on one by accident.